starting double-digit divisors. So patience and baby steps are key here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out where exactly is the first digit going to go. So what concerns me here is what I'm going to look at is I'm going to look at my dividend and I'm going to look at my divisor. Now my divisor is 44, so I'm looking for a number larger than 44. So I start at the left and I work my way to the right. Now this is kind of opposite what we normally think of when we do this. Okay, so is 1 larger than 44? Nope. Is 18, is that larger than 44? Nope. But 183 is. So I know that the first digit is going to go in the ones place. Okay. So go ahead and pause the video and figure out where the first name the place value, where it's going to go here. Okay. Welcome back. So we're looking for a number that is larger than 56. 5 is not larger than 56, but 58 is. So if you wrote hundreds place, you are correct. Now that we know where the first number goes, next thing we have to do is figure out, well, is that number too high, too low, or just right? Now we can think of Mama Bear, Baby Bear, and Papa Bear when we think of this. So the problems that you have, they will already have a number up here in my quotient. So first step we can do is multiply. As you can see here, we're going to multiply my quotient times my divisor. So 4 times 25. And 4 times 25 is 100. Now, what do I do here? Well, I look. Can I subtract 83 minus 100? No, I cannot. So that means that 4 is too high. So on the line below, I'm just going to write too high. Okay. Let's do another one together. Okay. Down here, I'm looking at 1 and 32. So when I multiply, you're right, you guessed it, 1 times 32 is 32. So then I subtract. Okay, to borrow, that becomes a 5. That, so it's 9, 29. So then I go back here to my handy dandy guide. The difference, by the way, 29 is my difference. 29 is my difference. My difference is greater than my divisor. 29 is not greater than 32. 29 is not equal to 32, but 29 is less than 32, so that means this is just right. Just right. And let's take a look at this last one over here. Okay. So I'm going to multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2, 15, 16, 17. And if you don't like my method of multiplication, you can go ahead and just 57 times 3 over there. So I subtract 8, and that's 6. Now here, 68 is my difference, is greater than 57. So that means this 3 is too low. So here you have an example. You have one example of each. Okay, you have one example of each. So then what you're going to do is go back to the previous page and let's try these. I want you to try these two all by yourself. Okay. All right. So when you unpause, you'll see what you see if you got the right answer. So here we multiplied 9 times 78 and came up with 702. Now again, I can't subtract 677 minus 702, so that means the 9 is too high. So you cannot subtract, so my answer was too high. And then the last problem, 5 times 95 is 475. I subtract, I get 68. Since 68 is less than 95, my answer is just right.